Okay, so this is just another whole bunch of still photos talking about to kind of demonstrate what we did for the putting in the PEX. So this is the part where we actually put down the vapor barrier on top of the insulation. It's just a good 6 mil vapor barrier. We sealed it properly on the edges with seam sealing tape. Had to walk around on my stocking feet because I didn't want to tear it with my boots. And then once the vapor barrier's in place, we started laying the PEX pipe out. We used a stapler to staple the PEX pipe. Yes, it staples right through the vapor barrier. Oh no, you shouldn't do that. I'm not really worried about it. It's not that big of a deal. Yes, there's lots and lots of little tiny holes, but the primary purpose of the vapor barrier is fine, and the holes are filled with staples, so it's not a big deal. Anyway, we laid down the PEX pipe and stapled it onto the vapor barrier. I ran, you'll see that right there, that's my PEX pipe coming up and all my excess, because you don't want to have any junctions or any joints or couplings in the PEX pipe. So I have to have enough to come all the way out and all the way up and kind of hang in the air until I can get to the plumbing, the boilers and all that equipment to hook it up. So here's the pipe being laid out. Just the trick is to make sure that every loop is effectively the same length. So, because you want the water flow to be correct and equal. So my pipe here, this is 3/4 inch pipe, and it's 10.5 inches apart on the big loops there. And we just laid it down and stapled it in, and it actually goes a lot faster when you got a friend to help you out. And it's not perfect. This is some of the tight areas, but on the whole, it's pretty nice. But you got to have a friend. It's definitely a two-man job, and you got to build one of these way cool tools to help unroll the pipe. And I've got another video on how to build that. Anyway, once the pipe's in place, you need to connect it all, and then you're going to need to pressure test it. So this is my buddy John. My brother-in-law helped me with it. So to pressure test the pipe, you get all the ends, connect them all up, hook up a valve, a gauge, so you can verify the pressure inside it, and then you pressurize it with compressed air. I took this up all the way up to 65 psi. Oh, right there. See that in the middle? That is that end pipe that just kind of ends with the tape on it. That is an empty piece of pipe that will eventually hold a temperature sensor. So I'll slide one down inside the pipe so it's buried in the bottom of the concrete. So anyway, there's a pressure gauge. That's pretty much it for the video. Thanks for watching.